Hello everyone. In today's video, we are going to learn about how to unsend your mails using Gmail. You can do this by first changing your settings. So you click on settings, you click on view all settings, make sure you're under the general tab, make sure you come to undo send, then you can change the time here for your undo send. So it means that if I change it to 30 seconds, it means that once I send the mail, I have 30 seconds to undo my send. Once this is done, I can go ahead, save changes. And then once these changes are saved, when I come here, let me try sending a mail. Hello. And then I do hello. And then I click on send. I actually have up to 30 seconds to click on the undo here to undo my sending. So once I click on undo, you see that on sending undone, and my mail opens up to me. Let us leverage on the power of Gmail to make ourselves very productive. Thank you. If you enjoyed this video, subscribe to my channel for more content like this.